This exercise will improve your ankle mobility. Your ankle joint is already supposed to be a really mobile joint, but sometimes it can lock up, and this one is going to unlock it. So I use it a lot in treatment. I will be physically pushing on this talus bone in here whilst we're coming into a dorsiflexion movement, and it just unlocks that mobility for you. So what we're going to do today is just show you how you can do that at home by yourself. So we're just going to pop our ankle through a resistance band, come into a bit of resistance, and we're going to make sure he's right down on the crease in there, and coming forward into sort of a extended lunge position. And you will feel a bit of pressure coming through on that talus bone, and you'll feel that you can increase your range a bit more. We want to keep the heel down as we're doing this. And this is going to help you with your squat. It's going to help you being able to move around and get up and down off the ground a lot easier. Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist. If you found this video helpful, like and share it with your friends, and I will see you on the next one.